Well, here you got the Magic Chef, a real tree coffee maker. Real tree meaning this camouflage on the outside. You can buy obviously pants and shirts and all kinds of stuff from Real Tree that are camouflage. And now here you can buy yourself a coffee maker. Probably a lot of guys buy them for their cabins or their campers or what have you. I have it here in my house at this point, and it's hot right there. Obviously you don't want to touch that, but I had put 6 cups in. Look, it is just about there. You can see whether or not this thing makes good coffee. I can't see why it would not. Magic Chef is, you know, a name of a brand name that makes a lot of, you know, very good kitchen appliances and things like that, like toasters and toaster ovens and coffee pots. So basically they teamed up with Real Tree here and they came up with this coffee maker that is camouflaged. Just got your basic on-off switch here, and you can program it if you want it tomorrow morning. Come on at 6 a.m. And have your coffee ready for you when you get down. There's a clock on the outside here, that digital clock that tells you what time it is, and obviously you'll use that to program your coffee maker to go off whenever you want it to go off. But there it is. It's a Real Tree coffee maker, camouflaged, and it's actually pretty cool. It's your basic, you know, coffee maker. Certainly not the top of the line, but then you're not paying top of the line price. You just, what do you need? You know. Got your reusable filter on the inside, so you don't have to buy those white filters, which I like. That's a plus there. And you know, you pour the water in the top just like you do, and you can see how much water, you know, on the side here you're filling up, and push that button there and turn it on, and it makes coffee. But it is camouflage. Pretty cool, huh?